Hey guys, it's me, Monkey. MB. Whatever you can call it. I'm in a different game, so it doesn't matter. So now shut up about. Okay, anyways, I'm in an app called Cebus. Go get it on the store right there. Or you can get on the Oculus app. This game is a fan game. No crap, it's a fan game. Why am I telling you guys this? Well, it's just a Cebus game. It's gonna remake later. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, I got my name here. I haven't checked out the map. That's a lot. I'm not. I ain't doing this. Okay, anyways, please. Let's see mail.
He's an admin. All right. Bro,
wow,
it's me. Now where's my then man, how do you get anyone who has the stick, man? Hey, bro, come over here. You're not an admin. Bro,
I don't know if you guys are admin.
With the stick, man.
Look.
There's a hacker in here. Okay.
Bro, you're flying.
Another hacker. All right, there's two hackers. All right.
How do you guys equip two cosmetics
Who
at
needs
once?
gravity, bro? Who needs it?
How do
Who
you
needs gravity?
Actually, though, you just need to go over here.
Yes, sir.
Stop!
Lemon cake. Come back down.
Leverage first, like this. Okay. And then you can.
All right.
Teleport out like that.
Where did my man just go? Who needs
All
gravity?
right.
Where did he go, man?
How do you get the admin badge?
You don't get it.
Double glitch, man. That's a double glitch.
Today we're just gonna be
How
you get
the
that?
heck needs gravity?
Okay, you're
Okay.
Oh, gravity when.
Yeah. How do I have the riptide thing on? Do I have the riptide thing
On this two charms. Here, press on this one.
The hell?
Or here, press on this three. Wait a minute.
After
This
that,
is weird. I'm never coming back in the
wait, I
Cebus
have
app
to put
again.
my gun back
Don't
on.
ask Ma, guys.
Let's put my gun back on real quick.
I didn't buy my
flying
mods.
right now. Alright, I put my gun on. After that,
I
yeah,
got mods.
come
Downloaded them.
here.
Ah, you
Yeah, come over here. What a waste of money.
I
Come
was
here.
gonna buy them anyways. I didn't buy them.
Okay, so you're probably clicking on this video like Gorilla Tag gave you moderator procs. Basically,
Press on
what
monkey
happens
place.
to stop with the lag. Basically,
Which I already have.
a game called Cebus on Apple.
After that,
Also, I'm
by the
modding
way.
Gorilla
You're
Tag.
the one
You
have mods in Gorilla Tag? Guys, he's modding.
But yes,
Count
this did actually give you
seconds.
moderators, which is
It-
actually come here.
Come back under.
Come.
And you,
I can't
give
get
you
over
the-
why I bought.
it
Anyway,
should
let's
have
hop in
given
and let's
the
check out
mods.
the moderator.
Bro, I should have
the
it.
mods for free.
Bro, why don't I have it?
Next, I'm going to be on this
get
content creator board after I make a lot of content
You
on
should have the
this.
mods for free.
But anyways,
How do you get
let's go
mods for
back
free?
and play the whole game.
I'm not telling you. I'm only helping this
Yay!
guy. How do you get mods?
Yippee!
You're gonna come
Oh
up. You're gonna come
my.
up.
I'm
You're
gonna
gonna
report you
God.
guys.
And you
Get
have the
mods
mods.
for
And
free.
you have the mods.
Cebus theaters,
And then you
like
have the mods.
theaters, alright?
You have to follow. You have to follow every rule I have to do.
Hey,
So,
you guys know how to
It
undo
should
it.
work.
Better
It
even
should have
just
How do you
worked.
guys how to no clip? How
And
do you
they
guys
call
do it?
themselves
how do you
the
get mods?
Cebus.
You have to
I'm
download
not
them.
telling none of you. You
can download them for free. I'm gonna report you for using
Oh my god, the cebus.
Place with
you have to
no
download
gravitational pull.
Press on
They may watch good movies. Listen,
press on one that you like. I can kick all of you guys
and
right now.
explore places in the world like
Kick
no
me.
other
There you
country
go.
could.
Kick me if you... Wait, crap, hang on a second. Kick me if you're
And
dead.
take risks.
Wait, how do you do that?
I only have 4 moves.
How did it work? No clue. How's it no clue? Did it work for you? How do you actually get mods? I'm serious.
Yeah,
Did it work?
It worked.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, sorry about your
I'm
luck.
gonna
I don't
pay you
know
for using
how that did work,
cheating mods.
but why? Oh my, why?
Yeah, let's get a horse.
Like cheating mods, that's not even cheating. I taught these. I was just, I was just helping that man find how to get mods. I'm not, because I actually have. I don't even need that, bro. I know what type of mods I
Talking
have.
about the manga.
I was getting the 4 mods for free.
Echoes in here.
got them for free. You know how?
Because you have to download them.
Yeah, but no, you don't have to download them. I didn't download them. I did a hack. I did like a hack. How do you get mods?
Heck,
Right here.
the monster. Whoever the creator of this game is, I think the monster's bugged.
Use a mod. Use a mod.
You might want to fix this.
Yeah, let's go in a different code. Let's join a code. Okay, they want to ask for mods so bad. Oh, right. He's lying, by the way. They want to ask for mods so bad.
Yeah, if you join a code, you go to room.
They're only way
And type in code.
download them. Her room.
That's the code.
Follow my
Fan
finger.
art.
Follow my
The
finger.
code what's
Put
in
the
the
fan
house.
on it. I'll be
Join the
reading
code
this
good.
game at the end.
Okay. Why do you want mods so bad? Because. Oh yeah.
I like this fan art. I like this one a lot. Well, shout out to everybody who made this game and who all made this fan art. It's really cool. I like that one too. That was
I
so
can teach you.
cool.
Oh, really? Thank you.
That
Yeah,
one's
you
cute.
just need $15.
So I rate this all fan out 10 out of 10.
But so I have
Let's
my,
go to the
mom in here.
office.
I can do that. Yeah, come over here.
Obama Prism. Obama Prism.
Is that the stick?
You just have to buy it.
It's the stick.
Put that and then you to like click it, and then you have to buy it.
Aww.
He's making you
He's
buy. How do you
a-
get the gun? Can you get them for free?
No,
Brought to me and I have
unless you hack.
No, wait, how do you get
13
the gun? I am hacking. That's how I get my mods. I have an analyst.
How do you get the gun? Come here, come here.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Obama Prism. Obama Prism. Obama Prism. Obama Prism. Obama Prism. Obama Prism. Obama Prism.
I hope you.
Obama
I'm so sorry.
Obama Prism.
She looks so cute.
Hey dude.
I hope she rests in peace. And
Hey, what's good, penis
Yeah.
pipers?
Put your hands up.
Suck my balls. Wait,
Good job.
Don't ask me.
Pat, pat. I missed.
you suck at aiming.
hey, crusty balls in a Krabby Patty. Ass so fat, she looking like a granny. Poop on the carpet cause you'll never catch me.
Who's playing that, bro?
So rich, I want my ass on a napkin.
I wish you were still alive.
I got
It
the
was-
gun.
Collar stay pumping. 20 bands in a
Who's
week, my
playing that,
ass is
bro?
never flopping. I'ma buy a house.
They're in the shot
I'ma
at the
buy
mirror.
another. Buy one for your
Fly
dog
high,
and
Dallas.
one for your
Dallas.
mother. My memes are so dang. Walk straight into the bank.
So,
Tell me to get out, cause
I'm
I've got
sorry
some
for your
buns
loss,
outside.
but so,
Cause I took a big
I lost my cat. I lost my cat. Allie
No, he's
too.
not.
She got hit by a car.
floating. No, I'm not in
Yeah,
loathing. Selling
so-
so much motherfucking dope.
Yeah.
Cooking
So if you see this
up
camera,
all
just
these bricks.
know that
Damn. Why
I'm
you so
sorry.
rich, bitch? Cause I move all these motherfucking Lego bricks, my guy. Penis. Penis balls, bitch. Frick.
I'm leaving. Bye,
You like my
bitch.
song? Do you guys like my
So,
song?
guys,
No.
you should.
And no for that N-word.
I didn't want to turn the Discord.
Everybody
off.
clap
I
the
didn't wanna waste all the
PvP.
time. You guys' times.
Right.
Rock climbing. I used to be a pro at this.
What?
And it's way younger than this crap.
Everybody clap the PvP. I want to 1v1 you guys. Where are you? Wait, where? PvP.
Get that at the end.
Guys, shut my TV done.
We're so high. Medium unlocked, I guess. I think it's slippery, is it? Is he playing the funk? I used to be a big fan
Play
of
that
funk.
music.
I don't know that door. This is hard.
You have to send everybody. He's a moderator. He's a moderator? Oh my god.
This is hard.
He has it. That's the stick. That's Professor Sky. Look at my purple vaporizer. Look at my vaporizer.
Oh my god, kids are really falling for this.
Sorry for
Your moderator has the
cheating
stick.
going
He
on.
has the
Oh
stick.
my god, kids are really falling for
Wait,
this.
I have the stick. I have the stick. Let me go in the mod vent real quick. Yeah, say, let me go into the mod vent. Yeah, I'm the moderator. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm a moderator. I left my seat.
That is so cool.
And the one and only true rock climber.
Alright, you know how I can ban you? What's your username? Don't ban me, please. Hey kid, I can ban you. What's your username? If I point my stick at everybody come to PvP, you're gonna get banned. So if I report you while having the stick on, you're getting banned.
You have to report him to the Discord. You have to
Sounds
report him
like
to the
next.
Discord.
Play Cupid! Play Cupid! Play Cupid! Cupid! Don't report me! I didn't do anything! If I report...
Yeah, he didn't do anything, guys.
It will instantly, ban you if I have the stick on and report you.
Bro, how do you join
How
a
about I play
code?
some Tetris Funk? So... Guys, how about I play some Tetris Funk? Yes. We're gonna ban you. Come to mall. Come to mall. Come to mall. Come to mall.
I'll just
Come to mall.
So I rate this game 10 out of 10. The game is unanimous. It is very good. So if you see this owner, I will put the name. Sorry for your dog, and please say in the comments. Sorry for the cat. And I'm gonna make content about this. So yeah. I don't know what to make with it. But it looks like that. So I hope you have an amazing day for everyone who's watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. And God is out.